G'day guys, Calvin, Coaching Company in New Zealand. I got my camera flipped, so I'm backwards. Not that I've got any distinctive features really. I do actually, oh, nothing here, yeah, nothing here. LS430. Today's victim is a 6-speed. So UCF30, 6AT, 3UZ. And I'm going to show you how to bypass the starter relay. Car jacked up on stands because I'm doing stuff. I'm under the engine bay here and I disconnected transmission, so nothing in the transmission is now connected. Includes start circuit, everything going in there. That's where all the trans goes in. It's not going in. It's because I'm testing a manual computer on it. So we come in the cabin, we turn the key on. No starties. So leave the key on. No, yes. Find the fuse box lid. Read. Starter relay. Starter there. Make sure you line it up correctly. It happens to be, in this car, it's the purple one right at this end. So knowing how the relay works. One of these ones on the side. So by my thumb. And there, one of them will be a power feed, and one will be an earth. And that will switch power between these two here. So one of these is a main power feed. So I'm going in live now, okay. And we fire it into here. It is that easy. Ta-ta-da, it's running. Piece of wire, starter bypassed. Real easy.